Hello friends, today I am going to share with you recipe of sabudana vada or tapioca pearl fritters. These are melt in mouth recipe, crunchy from outside and soft from inside. So without any further ado, let's start the recipe. Here I have taken 1 cup of sabudana or tapioca pearls as you have seen here. These are the regular sabudana. Wash and soak these for 2 to 3 hours. I have already soaked these and you have seen these are bigger in size. If there is any excess water, use the strainer to remove the excess water. Now into the separate bowl add these soaked tapioca pearls or sabudana. Add 1 boiled and mashed potato. Then add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 2 to 3 tablespoons of roasted ground peanuts, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. You can use green chili or black pepper powder according to your preference. Add 2 tablespoons of cilantro or dhania finely chopped. Add 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. If you want to skip it, you can totally skip it. And then add 1 teaspoon of salt, or you can use pink salt instead of this according to your choice. Now give it a quick mix until all the things combines together. Do it with a very light hand. Once everything combines together, this is how the mixture looks like. Now take a lemon sized ball from this mixture and start rolling in between your palm and then press it as I am showing you here. If the edges are uneven, even out with the help of finger. First vada is ready. Similar way, take a lemon sized portion from this mixture, roll it and then press it, even out the uneven edges. The second vada is ready. Similar way I am going to prepare rest of the sabudana vadas, then I will show you. Now the sabudana vadas are all rolled up. If you want to fry these, you can fry at this point, but I am going to use the air fryer. So I am going to place it into the refrigerator for 10 to 15 minutes. Now to fry these, I am going to use my Ninja air fryer. This is the dual version of the air fryer. I am going to use 1 basket today. Now we have to preheat the air fryer at 350 degree Fahrenheit for about 5 minutes. Once it is done, then I will show you. It's been 15 minutes. I have removed the sabudana vada from the refrigerator. Now they are properly set and ready to fry. Preheating is done as you have seen here. Cancel this function. Now remove the air fryer basket from the air fryer and now grease it using the spray oil, or you can just grease it using the brush, and after greasing this is how it looks like. Now start placing the sabudana vada inside the basket. Once you have placed all the sabudana vada into the basket, now spray on top of the sabudana vada. It needs very less oil and you will get the perfect sabudana vada. Now place the basket and then set the temperature at 350 degree Fahrenheit for about 15 minutes. We will check halfway through. Now it starts. I will show you in halfway. After 7 minutes, pause the air fryer and remove the basket and look at the color of the sabudana. Now flip it using 1 tonk. At this stage it is slightly soft, so be careful. I have broke one of the vadas, so that's okay. Again after flipping you have to spray the oil, but don't worry about the oil. All the oil we are spraying, it will automatically drain inside the basket. Now place the basket again and wait until the 15 minutes over. After 15 minutes it's done. Now remove the basket and look at the color of the sabudana vada. Isn't it look so delicious? You will see the color. Nobody will say that these are the non-fried crispy sabudana vada. Similar way I am going to air fry the second batch of sabudana vada. Once it is done, this is how the vadas looks like. Nobody will tell you that you have used the air fryer method instead of regular deep frying method. This is a perfect version of sabudana vada. You can get the traditional taste and you will see how these are soft from inside, crispy from outside, and if you want to make it more crispier, then add 2 more minutes into the prepared time. You will see the color and I have served it with yogurt dip, but you can serve it with any dip of your choice. Now you do not have to worry about the oil because you can make it into the air fryer easily and you will get the perfect traditional crunchy taste of sabudana vada. I will share the deep fry version of the sabudana vada in the comment section below, and if you like this air fried version of sabudana vada, then share your thoughts. It will help to make different types of videos. Thank you. Thanks for watching.